I'm starting on the other side now on the skirting. I'm just taking a little break right now. But if you can see that 2x4 that's up there, there's two of them. That's taken me almost close to 2 hours by myself to get those two 16-foot 2x4s mounted up and underneath. And I got 2 screws going on every floor joist, holding it in place. So I still got to do the bottom. I'm gonna have to remove that 4x6 and then put another 2 16-footers down this way across. And that was a challenge getting that up there by myself. Had to use this jig, set it up kind of down over here so it would hold this end up for me while that worked down here at this end. So like I said, I just got to get this 4x6 out, remove some more of those panels, and continue on. But I think it's about to rain, so break time. Okay, I managed to finish the skirting up until this point here. So I'm just working over there now. I've got to cut out that 4x6. I can't lift it up to pry it out of there, so I got to go underneath and start cutting it up from the inside and the outside and chunk it up and get it out of there that way. Pulled out a cable that was lying on the ground there. It wasn't hooked up to anything. I don't know where the other end goes yet. I haven't looked. I got all the rest of the skirting removed all the way to the end except for the very back. I haven't done that part yet, but it's coming along. All that part's all filled in right underneath the front step. It's done, so I'm about, I don't know, 75% done, I guess, something like that. 60%, 75, somewhere around there. So just keep at it. Underneath the trailer again, just picking away at a few things, trying to get the skirting completed. And then I just installed the got these 2 vertical 2x4s there. I got them notched. I got the same thing over here. So that's going to be my door right here. It's about 2 feet 4 inches wide, and once I get some more bracing in like that guy there, I'm going to try to cut out this bottom section here, so anytime I'm coming underneath here I don't have to crawl over that. This guy here, which is quite difficult to get over, in and out. If you're going in and out multiple times, it gets really old really fast. So I got the, you know, some of the door kind of done. And that's the brace I'm putting in. Now I've kind of changed it up a little bit from the other side. Over there, where they ran in the opposite direction. And they're at a much bigger, if that's the right word, angle. Or these ones I've ran more straight, I guess. So if I'm crawling around down here, it gives me more space. I've actually limited myself quite a bit over there, and that's the way I would usually use to crawl all the way down to the end if I needed to. Because over here you can see I've got the pipe and water line and all these cables run all over the place. Just kind of a mess right now. I plan to come under at some point in time once the skirting's done. Excuse me. and clean up all this cabling. I kind of started a little bit. I don't know if you can see them down there. See if I can, no. Anyway, I got some little magnetic J hooks off of Amazon. I just been clipping them to the frame rail and just temporarily hanging up some of those cables just to get them off the ground and out of the way. So I'll come back under and fix these at some point in time. But I gotta stay focused on the skirting right now and get that done before I know what the next winter will be here. And something else I did with this brace here is I tried to get the right angle. As you can see, I didn't get that right, but it doesn't really matter. And then at the top, I've sanded all the hard edges on the edge of that 2x4, and you can't see it from here, but on the edge closest to the framing, I put a little notch just wide enough for 2x material, so when I push it up against the floor joist and screw it in, that little notch kind of locks in with the floor joists that are running across, so it kind of helps hold them in place, keep it locked in. So hopefully that angle will be all right. Like that, I'm gonna have to go back eventually, I think, and I'll probably change out all those angle pieces you can see there, because they really interfere with that crawl space that I used to have over there. So I think if I switch them all to this way, turn them, you know, flat, and put them at less of an angle, and that'll free up a lot of my space and give my crawl space back. So when I come on under here to do some more cleaning and organizing and whatnot, we'll have easier access. Alright, got another brace cut. So you see down here, that's what I did with the notch. So a piece of 2x material, the floor joist will kind of slot right into it, help lock it in place, and around it just sand it over all the hard edges. And got it angled, so I'll go try to fit this and get the other side of that door, support it so I can cut that bottom piece out. So let's go see how many mistakes I made. This is over at the far end. That's a 4x6 by the AC. And this one's just completely rotted out. It's just falling apart in my hands as I try to pick it up. Just at the back end of the trailer now, just cutting out that last piece of 4x6. I have to go and get my Sawzall out, and I'm having to chunk it up because there's no other way to get it out. I can't lift it up and pry it out of there like most of the other ones I did. So I'm just chunking it up and taking it out piece by piece. And I'm just down by that electrical conduit down there. So I'm gonna cut it 2 or 3 more times and haul out the rest, and that should be it for this back section. And that'll be everything out and demolished. And after all this, I'll have to go and do some cleanup on these members here along this side, back side over there. Excuse me, because once I have that all the framing in place, I won't be able to get to that part. So I want to clean that up and paint it before I close it all in.